So today we're gonna unbox Pepper and Pikachu's new cage. Yay! It is right here because I think that they're stressed out by that cage, the red one, and that was just a temporary cage. And this is their permanent one. This one is gonna look like that one, Cheetah and Lola's cage. So they can have more toys, they can have more enrichment. Pikachu! Oh, darn it. There's gotta be an easier way. Okay, like this. And that's all I got. Give me 1 second. Pikachu! I think I got it. I sure did get it. Honestly, if I remember correctly, this was not that hard to build. Get it out the top. There we go. So this is it. And it comes with wheels as well. Here are the wheels. And the screws. Maybe there's an extra screw for one that I'm missing over here. But this is pretty, honestly, it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't even think it comes with instructions, to be quite honest with y'all. If I'm remembering correctly. Let me see. Yeah, no. It doesn't come with instructions. I think I got the instructions off of Amazon last time. This case is like $100. In a second. There you go. Ooh. Oh, look, the little 4 cups. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Oh, it does come with instructions. Psych, I'm crying. It does come with instructions. I think it's only like, yeah, it's only 5 instructions. 7 instructions. The little thingy. I put newspaper there. Yeah, this is a pretty easy code, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is step number 1. Is the front of the cage and the back of the cage. So this one can stand on, it cannot. This one and this piece. And this piece like this. And apparently, okay, so first of all, these are our first 2 pieces. But first, I have to put this over here with a screw. And this goes inside like this. Okay. So here are the screws. Put this down for a second. Oh man, where's my scissor? Okay, here are the wheels. And here are the scissors. Okay, because it has a little, one little mini, what do you call them? Not screws, something to screw the screw on. It does, this thingy. Yep, it does. So, 4 of these bad boys on here. Ow. I built Cheetah and Lola's cage, so it shouldn't be that hard to be quite honest with y'all. Then, this one goes right here, like this, and then you screw it in. Is it in? Is it in? Okay. Yeah, it's in. I don't like this little small. I never really appealed to this. I'm already sweating. I'm just going to put it loosely on there for now. We're going to tighten it later. This is getting heavy. And then we screw the other one on. Am I doing it right? Yes. Oh, I already got a cramp on my hand. This is a different way. Thank you. Let me lean this over here. Okay. Then let me screw it on. Like this. Hey. See, I'm a little smart sometimes. Don't call me on that. Now, tighten it a bit. Now we got this base going on. Let me tighten it over here. There you go. Look, we got the base going. Sorry, I'm sweating already. I sweat very easily. And now we get the back. we get a screw. I don't know, why's my screw not on? Okay. Why do I not see the screw moving? Oh, never mind. Okay. So that one's on, and now we just need this side. I don't know why they're making all that racket. Anything and everything scares them. Like, this is y'all's new cage. Stop acting brand new. There we go. Wow, look, now we got the base. Hey, I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, where's my instructions?
We already have someone trying it out. Jade, I haven't even finished. I haven't finished building the cage. And it's not yours either. Huh? Jade, the cage is not for you. This cage is not for you. You already have your own cage. And you're thriving. This is not your cage. My supervisor has come to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. I don't see the supervisor doing any work, though. Okay, now, probably the supervisor's about to fly away. Now we have these two thingies. And I have to slide him on the side. Has two. There's two. Darn it. Jade. Vaya para allá, Jade. I'm telling you, I can't do nothing around. Okay, now this one side is in. And my supervisor is making sure that that side is in. I can't do nothing around here. Now we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Is my supervisor going to join me here too? Okay, take him out. Take him out. Okay, take him out. Yes, my supervisor has joined me on this side as well. Why is it not going down? It's inside. Go down. Jade, go. Oh, there's stuff right there. Okay, this side is in now. Supervisor again is making sure everything's up to code. It's up to code, Jade. Step 3 is to put the top on. I'm assuming this is the top. No, this is the bottom. Which is the top? Is it this one? I don't know if it's this one. I think it's this one, because this one doesn't have... Wait, this one does too. Why is there two? They look the same to me. Both of them are so this is going to go on the top. Give me 1 second. With the screws. Okay? Please move out the way. Jade, have it. Thank you. What's the point? Where are the screws at? Why is it this all the way down? There you go. Because Jade be in the way. And there's like little sticks poking out, and that's what you have to align it with. Little sticks. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 8 sticks poking out. Okay, and then there's 4 little screws that you screw on. There we go. That is the screws on top. Step 4 is the bottom piece rolling around. Like, I guess you could just leave the cage like this if you wanted to, but I like to like push mine so I can clean under. So that is this. Wait, why do I only have 2? Oh, it is only 2, sorry. Okay, here's this one. And then I'm gonna, this is where this other one comes into play. Oh, I get cramps. cramps in my hand easily. Ew. Yeah, this is where this comes into play. Has 2 holes right there, and it's spiky. There's 2 little spikes going here. See, my first rodeo, all right? But before anything, we're probably just gonna put 1 screw in, just to make it easier on me. Okay, let me just put it. Ideally, it'd be nice to have 2 people, but if you don't have 2 people, you can do it by yourself. So it's gonna take a lot of, how do you say it, dedication. God, I hope I don't break a nail, because I'm gonna be real upset if I do. Wait, does this have up and down or no? I don't think so. Is it going in? I just need it to go in a little, that's all. And then I'll tighten it up. Yes. There you go. Wait, is it? Yes, it is. Yup, now to tighten this one. Yo, I'm like breaking out in a sweat. I don't know why Jay thinks it's his cage. Ah! It didn't screw on. Neither one did. I'm gonna try this again. That upset me, because why would you play with my feelings like that? Like, don't do that. Like, let me screw this on a little bit tighter. You know, and isn't this like this? Maybe I do need a man. Go in. In 1 second, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't appreciate this, like, at all. The screws right here is what's throwing me off. Bro, just screw on, damn it. Screw on. Why is it not going in? Like, that's what's upsetting me. I'm gonna try this shit one more goddamn time. Like, why is this not going in? That's what I'm not getting. Is this in? It is. Okay, it's now screwed in on this side. Let's see on this side. What happened? Oh, did it break off? I think it broke off. Well, it wasn't. Well, it's not in this side. It's not going to be able to fix. Now I'm about to struggle with this other side. Like, I'm breaking my full on sweat. Like, I can't do no type of movement. Excuse me. No type of movement because I break out in sweat. Okay. It'd be nice if it went in. Is it in? I think it is. It is in. Okay. Let's see. Give it back. One more screw over here. Y'all, this is broke. Like, and that's not even my fault. Let me unscrew it and see what is going on. Fell off. Yeah, this little part from inside of there broke off. Dang it. Unfortunately, this is gonna have to wait. So we won't put it on the little scooter or this yet because, where is it? This keeps falling out. This came broke. Oh, now it doesn't want to come out. But there's a little piece in there that's where this comes in. And when I screw it on, it comes loose. And I'm not gonna return it because I'm pretty sure my daddy can fix it. So I will tell him tomorrow if he can like weld it or like super glue it, do whatever he has to do, and we'll take care of that step. So on to the next step is putting this on top of this. Give me a second. We're missing 2 steps. Okay, so now we can put in this piece on the bottom. It kind of sucks, though. I kind of wanted them to use it today, but life doesn't always give you lemons. So I put this in down here. Like, so they can crawl down there. And then this little thingy. And this is what I'm going to put newspaper on. And then I can also put in their purchase. But that comes with these. I wrap them in vet wrap, if you will. So let's do that. Personally, any like sticks, like straight stick like that come in the cages, I always put in bed wrap, just because to me personally, I feel like it's like a cleanliness thing, and also like it gives more like, so your birds won't have that like bumblebee, I think bumblefoot, where they create bumps on the bottom of their feet. So this is like a little bit more rigid. So I do put them in. I'm not like against it. Like some people do not like those perches. I put it in bed wrap, and it makes it, for me personally, so much easier to clean. He did get fixed. I didn't ask how. I just know it got fixed. So now it's rolling, right? Now we're gonna put these thingies right here. There goes my supervisor again. So these are gonna go in these little holes right here. Give me a second. I need something to hit it with. Something to break. I'm afraid to smash my own finger. This one's semi-in, so that's good enough for me. This one's semi-in too. This one's semi-in too. Now to get this cage and by myself, it's just gonna be this one's semi-in two. Creating a mess. Works. Bless our nest. Oh, it's hot. Oh, now for the hardest part. To put this on top of this without no one's help. It's okay. We can do it. I believe in myself. I think I did it. Actually, let's not quote me on that because I don't remember. I think I did it alone last time. I can't see. And I don't want to squish my finger. That one's in. Oh, they're rolling. Oh, wow. That was easier than I thought. Okay, now press it down. Okay, this over here is good. Over here is good too. Okay. Wow. Look. Wow. Wow. It rolls. Wow, this is nice. They don't got roaches nor nothing. That's a new cage. Now I just gotta put it in the toys. This is the new cage. I don't know why this one's here. But this is Pepper's favorite one. It's the unicorn pinata. Have a cute few perches, their food, their ball. They love this perch over here in the corner to sleep. Their little crossover, like a couple of toys, and that's where it's gonna go. So I have to move that cage and clean there. And yeah. Is the setup. I think it's pretty nice. Now the only problem I'm gonna have is how I'm gonna pass the vacuum through there, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Jay is already trying to enjoy what's not his. There is Pikachu and there is Pepper. And there's Margarita. And there they go, trying to... Their favorite thing ever are those little clips. Margarita. Those little clips right there. Yup. Jade, that's not for you. But yeah, that is the little setup. Hey. It's bedtime. I told y'all they were going to choose that little corner right there. They're so funny. And they have all of this. And they choose the corner. Because that's what they've always been used to. They're so funny.